The Honor 9 Lite is here, the latest phone under the Honor camp, and yes, it's again one with a focus on the cameras. At first glance, it looks like a mid-range, rethought reincarnation of the Honor 8 from 2016. This is Sandeep from RevAtlas. Let's see what the 9 Lite brings to the table. It's 2018 and naturally the trend from 2017 gets carried over. The 9 Lite has a 5.65-inch 18:9 display with Full HD Plus 2160 by 1080 pixels resolution and curved glass. No corning protection here, and so far it seems like the sunlight legibility is subpar. However, the screen looks beautiful and colors are well rendered. The phone itself looks absolutely stunning, especially in this grey color. Honor has started the wonderfully blue color with the equally well and similarly designed Honor 8, but this grey is really unique too. The curved glass at the front and back sandwiches the aluminium frame. The entire footprint is a bit bigger than the Honor 8 due to a larger and taller display, but in terms of thickness, weight and width, it's practically the same. Powering the 9 Lite is an octa-core homegrown Kirin 659 chipset, and it comes with either 3 or 4 gigs of RAM along with corresponding 32 and 64 gigs of storage. The storage is expandable using hybrid dual SIM card slot. Onboard is Oreo goodness with Android 8.0 and EMUI 8 on top of it. Coming to the eyes of the phone, you get a 13MP f2 camera at the rear with a secondary 2MP depth sensing camera, and you get a similar 13MP camera with a 2MP depth sensor at the front as well. Here are some samples taken with the phone, and so far it seems quite capable when it comes to photography. Like the Honor 8, this too has a 3000 mAh battery and a rear mounted fingerprint scanner, albeit one that's not clickable. What makes the 9 Lite even more attractive is perhaps the pricing of the base variant, which is Rs 10,999 for 3 gigs of RAM, while the 4 gig RAM variant will be Rs 14,999. The phone goes on sale on January 21st and comes with launch offer that gives 10% off with Citibank cards. We've included the link to purchase the phone in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. See you again in the next one.